Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Stihl Br600 is probably one of the most powerful and versatile backpack leaf blowers on the market, designed to tackle even the toughest cleanup jobs with ease, making it an indispensable tool for homeowners and professionals alike who demand top-tier performance and reliability for maintaining their properties. Number 5. FOLAI Waterproof Replacement Shoulder Strap. Introducing a replacement shoulder strap designed for durability. It's waterproof, ensuring your belongings stay dry in any weather. This strap offers adjustable length for a perfect fit. Enjoy comfortable wear whether you use it on a shoulder bag or backpack. Easily attach it to your shoulder bag or backpack. It's the ideal accessory for upgrading your carrying experience. Designed for a secure fit, it provides reliable support for your gear. You can trust it to hold your items safely. Comes in a classic black color that complements any bag. Its sleek design adds a touch of style to your everyday carry. What we like. This accessory offers enhanced comfort and durability for your existing equipment. If you're looking for a more comfortable way to carry your backpack or bag, this is a great option. It's ideal for anyone who frequently uses a shoulder bag or backpack and wants to improve their carrying experience. What people say. The replacement straps transformed my fairly run-of-the-mill backpack into a really nice pack with a luxury feel. The new straps have enough body to stay put when I take the pack off, and they have enough width to stay on one shoulder better. The new straps are very well built, nice and thick but not too thick, and most importantly, look much cooler than the skinny old straps. With the thumb hooks, they will be handy to have around to carry almost anything that can take a hook, hang things on camping trips, or act as a makeshift first aid sling. This is a very good replacement strap. It is high quality and the connecting hooks are very strong and click to your backpack easily. Once you put your backpack on, these straps are very comfortable and the padding helps make the pack ride well on your backup. Number 4. Dalom Br600 Carburetor for S-tihl backpack leaf blowers. Upgrade your S-tihl backpack leaf blower with this premium carburetor. It's designed to replace OEM parts and ensure your equipment runs smoothly. This part is compatible with S-tihl Br500, Br550, and Br600 backpack leaf blowers. Ensure your model number matches for a perfect fit. The kit comes complete with a carburetor, air filter, spark plug, fuel filter, fuel lines, primer bulb, gaskets, and a carb adjustment tool. Please note this is not compatible with early Br500 Br550 models using C1Q, S99A C1Q, S101A carburetors, nor with Br430 Br450 Br800 or handheld equipment. To ensure you receive the correct engine parts, please double-check your engine's model and existing part numbers before purchasing. This carburetor is a direct replacement for ZAMA C1Q, S183 and specific S-tihl OEM part numbers, making installation straightforward. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive solution for engine maintenance, ensuring your blower runs smoothly. If your engine is experiencing starting issues or power loss, this is the part you need. It's perfect for users who want to restore their Stihl Br600 or similar models to peak performance with a single purchase. What people say. The blower fired right up after the install and has been running strong ever since. I've used it heavily over the past few months with no problems at all. The carb holds its tune, and performance has been just as good as with the original parts. Runs fantastic right out of the box. I didn't have to play with the idle speed or the mixture screws. Good throttle response now and all the power is back. After figuring out that the muffler was clogged by dirt dauber nests, the blower fired right up and runs great. I did have to adjust the mixture needles a bit to dial it in, and it idles and revs up with little to no hesitation. Number 3. FitBest Tune-Up Kit for Stihl Br500, Br700 Backpack Blowers. Keep your Stihl backpack blower running smoothly with this complete tune-up kit. It has everything you need for essential maintenance. Engineered to perfectly replace OEM parts, this kit ensures a seamless fit for your Br500, Br550, Br600, and Br700 models. This kit includes a high-flow air filter, a premium spark plug, and a reliable fuel filter for optimal performance. The precision-cut air filter traps 99% of dust and debris, maintaining peak engine power and efficiency. With its direct swap design, installation is a breeze. You can get back to work in under 2 minutes, no tools required. What we like. This tune-up kit offers a convenient way to maintain your blower's engine health and performance. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to replace key maintenance parts, this kit is for you. It's ideal for owners of Stihl Br600, Br550, Br600, or Br700 models who want to ensure their equipment runs at peak efficiency with minimal effort. What people say. This tune-up kit was a 15-minute install. My 15-year-old Br550 is like new. Cranked first time after the install. Filters fit and keep blowers running 100%. A good quality replacement for tune kit of backpack blower, it fits perfectly. Number 2. Stihl Br600 Carburetor Air Filter Kit. Ensure your leaf blower runs smoothly with this premium carburetor and air filter kit. It's designed to be a perfect fit for your Stihl backpack blower. Specifically crafted for Stihl models Br500, Br550, and Br600. This kit provides a direct replacement for your existing parts. This kit replaces Zama part numbers C1Q, S183 and C1Q, S184. It's the ideal solution when your engine struggles to start or loses power. If your leaf blower experiences difficulty starting, reduced power, or emits black smoke, it's time for a new carburetor and filter. Enjoy a hassle-free setup with this plug-and-play kit. It's designed for easy installation, making it a friendly DIY project. Count on consistent performance and easy maintenance. Our experienced team is here to provide professional support if you need it. What we like. This package offers a focused solution for common blower performance issues, specifically targeting carburetor and air filtration. If you're experiencing a loss of power or your engine is running rough, this kit is designed to address those problems effectively. It's a great choice for users who need to replace both the carburetor and air filter on their Stihl Br500, Br550, or Br600. What people say. This kit includes everything you need: a carburetor, spark plug, fuel lines, air filter, gaskets, and fuel filter. Installation was straightforward, even for someone without much experience. The blower started on the first pull and runs perfectly now, no more stalling or sputtering. The engine performance is like new. I'm really impressed with the quality of the parts in this kit. Number 1. 150 to 811 recoil starter for Stihl Br600 Br500 Br550. Introducing a durable recoil starter designed for your Stihl blowers. It ensures a quick and easy start every time. This starter is specifically made for the Br500, Br550, and Br600 models. Get back to work without hassle. It's a direct replacement for Stihl part numbers 4282-190-0300 and 4282-190-0300A. You can trust its compatibility. Also replacing the 150 to 811 and rotary part number 13529, this assembly offers excellent performance and longevity. The package includes one complete recoil starter assembly. Installation is straightforward, getting your equipment running again in no time. What we like. This recoil starter assembly is built for reliability and ease of use, ensuring your blower starts up without a hitch. If your current starter is broken or difficult to pull, this replacement part is exactly what you need. It's the perfect solution for owners of Stihl Br500, Br550, or Br600 models who want a dependable way to get their equipment running. What people say. Works great. Fits perfectly and actually seems to be a better quality and construction than the much more expensive Stihl OEM part. Ordered this to fix one of the blowers that is for a tree company. As you can imagine, they get a lot of abuse and are left in the elements, but so far it has held up no problem. Have a Stihl Br550. Fit perfectly. Works very well. Much cheaper than Stihl. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.